Today we make a video to compare this is the 600 volt and this is 750 volt. This is two cold fireworks machine. We make a compare video, and this is plastic shell. This is aluminum. This is old model. This is new model. And you can see the 600 volt. This model is bigger than this one, a little bigger this one. And these two machines, the working temperature almost 600 degrees Celsius. The working temperature is almost the same. And this model, the remote controller is this one, and you can see the power, the heat on, heat off, stop. And there is a button is clean, the powder clean function. This model have the powder clean function, and this model not have. The new model have the powder clean function. And this is the jet distance 1, 2, 3. And you can see this remote controller support to connect the machine one by one together and make the jet program left to right. And you can see that, and this is the speed. This is high, 1, 2, 3. You can see. So you can connect this machine, jet this direction and this direction, or the middle to two side, or two side to the middle. Can use the remote controller to make the program. And this model, this old model is simple, and this is stop and hit on, and 1, 2, 3, the jet distance. B is higher, C is middle, B is low. Now let's test. You can see. And this is let's press 1, 2, and 3. And stop. But this model jet almost 30 seconds I need to stop. But this model can keep jet always. No stop. So this is the difference. And this distance from the machine to my table almost 10 meter. Almost 10 meter. Now let's check the first one. The first machine, the 750 volt. Okay. Now let's test the 600 volts to the machine, the second one. So the remote control distance is no problem for these two machines, or no problem. So let's check the distance. So if you have no domestic controller and you only want to use the remote control, so these two machines both fine. If you only want a simple, you can choose this one. If you want the powder clean, and you can choose this one. These two machines, the price is same. The price is same. And this one's bigger. This is one smaller. And this is the position to add the powder inside. And this is the receipt. Each time almost add half bags powder is enough. This is same. This machine, if you no need the powder, you can make the powder out very easy. And this machine, you can see the powder nozzle is a little small. But this machine have the powder clean function. If you no need to machine jet, you can press the clean function and make sure the heating pipe no powder, And this one not have the clean function. You need to make the powder out each time. This is all aluminum. This is plastic.